Have you ever seen a creature with a prehensile tail, a pouch like a kangaroo, and more teeth than any other North American mammal? No, it's not some mythical beast. It's the opossum. And here's a shocker. They aren't rodents. That's right. The animal you might see shuffling around your backyard at night is actually a marsupial more closely related to kangaroos and koalas than to rats. Stick around because these misunderstood marvels are packed with secrets you won't believe. We're diving deep into 5 incredible facts that will completely change the way you see North America's only marsupial. Let's start with one of their most famous and most misunderstood behaviors, playing possum. When an opossum freezes up, goes limp, and even starts to smell, well, not so fresh, it's not a conscious choice. This is an involuntary comatose-like state triggered by extreme fear. Think of it as fainting from sheer terror. Their heart rate drops, their breathing slows, and they can stay in this state for several minutes, up to a few hours. This elaborate bluff is incredibly effective. Most predators prefer a live chase and will lose interest in a seemingly dead meal, allowing the opossum to wake up later and walk away unscathed. It's nature's ultimate get-out-of-jail-free card. So next time you see one playing dead, give it space. It's genuinely terrified. Now, let's talk about something truly remarkable, their superpower immunity. Opossums are like little walking tanks when it comes to venom. They possess a special peptide in their blood that neutralizes the venom from almost all North American snakes, including rattlesnakes, copperheads, and cottonmouths. Scientists are so impressed by this that they're studying this peptide, hoping to develop a universal anti-venom for humans. But their resilience doesn't stop there. Opossums are also incredibly resistant to rabies. Their body temperature is naturally lower than most mammals, which makes it very difficult for the rabies virus to survive and replicate. While it's not impossible for them to get rabies, it's extremely rare, making them one of the safest wild animals in your neighborhood in that regard. Here's a fact that might make you appreciate them a bit more in your garden. Opossums are nature's cleanup crew. They are omnivores with a voracious appetite, and their diet is incredibly beneficial to our ecosystem. They eat, well, almost anything. This includes fallen fruit, carrion, insects, and, get this, ticks. A single opossum can eat up to 5,000 ticks in a single season. By munching on these tiny pests, they help to reduce the spread of tick-borne illnesses like Lyme disease. So, if you see an opossum in your yard, don't shoo it away. It's providing a free, all-natural pest control service that keeps your family and pets safer. They're not looking to cause trouble. They're just on the hunt for their next meal, and luckily for us, ticks are on the menu. Moving on to their family life, which is just as fascinating. As marsupials, female opossums, called gills, give birth to incredibly underdeveloped babies, sometimes as many as 20 at a time. These newborns are about the size of a honeybee. Immediately after birth, they must embark on a perilous journey, crawling from the birth canal into their mother's pouch, or marsupium. Inside the pouch, they'll latch onto one of the 13 teats, arranged in a U-shape. It's a race for survival, and sadly, not all of them make it. The ones that successfully latch on will stay there, nursing and growing for the next 2 to 3 months. Once they get a bit bigger and furrier, they'll climb out and ride on their mother's back, learning how to forage and survive. It's a unique and tough start to life that sets them apart from nearly every other mammal in North America. Finally, let's talk about their brain power and dexterity. Opossums are often unfairly labeled as dim-witted, but studies show they are surprisingly intelligent. In some tests of memory and learning, they've outperformed dogs and cats. They have an excellent ability to remember where food is located and can navigate complex mazes. And that tail, it's not just for show, it's a prehensile tail, meaning they can use it like a fifth limb to grip branches and maintain balance while climbing. While adult opossums are too heavy to hang by their tails alone, that's mostly a cartoon myth, young opossums can. And all of them use it for stability in carrying materials like leaves to build their nests. Combined with their opposable thumbs on their rear feet, called a hallux, they are expert climbers, able to navigate trees and fences with ease. They are resourceful, adaptable, and far smarter than they get credit for. So the next time you spot that flash of white fur and a pink nose in the moonlight, remember what you've learned. You're not looking at a pest, but a resilient, intelligent, and beneficial neighbor. From their dramatic fainting spells and venom-neutralizing blood to their role as nature's little janitors, opossums are truly one of a kind. They are ancient survivors who have been walking the earth since the time of the dinosaurs, and they deserve our respect and appreciation. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of opossums. If you found these facts as fascinating as I did, please show your support by hitting that like button. And for more videos about the incredible creatures we share our planet with, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.